In this guide, I will show you step by step how to withdraw your money from plus500. So all you have to do, log in your account in plus 500 500, this one. You can log in with your Google account or Apple account or Facebook account. If you don't have account, you can create your account from this section with your email and password. This is the first step. After that, you will see this dashboard of your account. From this section, friends, go to this icon of dollar, click withdraw option. From here, you have two options, bank transfer or credit card. Choose credit card and choose your amount you want to withdraw, and then click open withdraw. Write your credit card number, your credit card here. You can add and save your credit card, and then click open withdraw. So guys, this is the minimum withdraw FT, this one, and you will always issue refund to your original source. So guys, you have two options, bank transfer. You can add a bank transfer and you can withdraw with your credit card. I hope this guide helpful for you friends. Any question down below in the comments, and I will answer your question as soon as possible, and keep watching.